After 9 days of worship, tomorrow devotees will bid adieu to Lord Ganesha. Meanwhile, the Bollywood celebs and politicians continue to add the festive cheer with their celebrations. My colleague Swarali is joining us at this point in time. Swarali, we know it is the last day today of the Ganesh Chaturthi festivities, and tomorrow the devotees will bid adieu to Lord Ganesha. Everybody is flocking the pandals to take his blessings for one last time. Show us around.
Yes, that's true. Let me show you the mob and crowd that is gathered over here. Huge number of devotees are present over here to take blessings of Dagdu Shet, Halwai, Ganpati Bappa. And we all know that in Pune, every year more than 2 crore devotees come here to take blessings of Ganpati Bappa. And this is the city from where public Ganesh Utsav started. At that time, reason was to unite against Britishers. But now it is a cultural and religious importance-laden festival. And this year, Dagdu Shet Ganpati Bappa's pandal is decorated as Ram Temple in Ayodhya. And let me tell you that huge number of people before the day of Visarjan, that is tomorrow, have gathered at Dagdu Shet Ganpati Halwai Pandal. Let me tell you that every year people and devotees come from across the country and also outside the country to take blessings. More than 130 years completed of this Ganesh Mandal, and as we can see, a huge crowd, and the way the idol of Ganpati Bappa is started with golden jewelry, diamond jewelry, silver jewelry, we can see, and the entire mandapa, which we call, is made of gold and silver, which can be seen in our visuals.
Okay, Swarali, thank you for showing us around from Pune. Let me go across to my colleague Ankit, who is also joining us. Ankit, there is the celebration that have been going on, and today is the last day of the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. I can see you are at the iconic Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Show us around, and we can of course show us the devotees who are flocking in large numbers.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Here you can clearly see it's the last day to take the blessings, to take the darshan of Lal Bagh Ka Raja from the pandal, where you can clearly see it's the crowd is taking the darshan, or they are touching the feet of Raja. So I would like to tell that the darshan, when you want to take the darshan of to touch the feet of Lal Bagh Ka Raja, that line is completely shut by the mandal of Lal Bagh Ka Raja. So whoever people are there in the line from last 24 hours, they will be only take the darshan. Now nobody can enter over there. And also if you see, this is the line where you can just see the face of Lal Bagh Ka Raja, take a glimpse of Lal Bagh Ka Raja. So this line is open. It will be remain open till 12 a.m. today. And after that there will be a starting, they will start the preparation of Visarjan and everything. So you can clearly see how much it is difficult for the mandal to handle the people, Mumbai police and everyone. It's very crowded over here, because last day people needs to take, because lakhs of people every day to come here to take the blessings of Lal Bagh Ka Raja, and it is very difficult to provide that blessing, to provide to show the Lal Bagh Ka Raja at the pandal. So that's why they have gathered on the last day. It is yes, definitely there are more than lakhs of people still remaining to take the glimpse, to take the darshan of Lal Bagh Ka Raja right now. And right now you can clearly say that it's difficult for the pandal to the mandal of Lal Bagh Ka Raja to handle each and every situation. But yes, in Mumbai, as we all know, Lal Bagh Ka Raja is very famous. There are lakhs of donation which comes there to the pandal, and also there is a wish where people always came here, and all the time there is only one thing which they is there in the mind of Mumbaikars, in the mind of the people, that whenever will come at Lal Bagh Ka Raja, the wish we will definitely ask to the Bappa. It will definitely, Bappa will listen to that wish, and all the wishes will definitely get successful.
Right.